In Lesson 4, we'll be going over string features in Python. Using the len function, we can find out the length of the string. Here it is 11. We can also print out a character inside of a string by specifying the position the character is at. In Python and other programming languages, start counting with the number 0. The first character is at position 0, and here, that is the character h. You can also print out an entire section of a string. Here we print out the first word, hello. Note that the second number here is not included, which is the character at position 5. The first number is included, which is the character at position 0, which is the first character. The first character here at position 0 is h. The character at position 1 is e. The character at position 2 is l. 3, it's l. At 4, it's 0. Oh, sorry, it's o. The comma is at position 5, and here you can see we've written 5 here because it shows all the characters up until this character at position 5, which is not included. You can also convert a string to uppercase using the upper function. Make sure you add the extra parentheses at the end. Here we turn the word hello into uppercase. For lowercase, it's a similar function. Just do dot lower with the parentheses, and you can make the string into lowercase. You can also replace a character or a word in a string using the replace function. Type in what the function should look for, which in this case is the character 7, and what it should replace that character or word with, which is 8. Here we convert the string 7 April to 8 April using the replace function. You can also split a string into a list. You'll learn about lists in a future lesson. Here the character comma is used for the point at where the string should be split. In the output list, you can see there are 3 elements, 1, 2, and 3. And those were some string features in Python. Thanks for watching.